What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How are y'all doing? We're gonna see if we can find some scrappy metals today. Oh, hey, we got one. We got us a fan. So I always turn y'all on for the first one and y'all are good luck. So it's plastic. Dog crate over there in there. Yeah, there's an aluminum pot down in there. Man, we'll get it out of there. We'll fight the dog poop for an aluminum pot, I guess. There we go. Oh man. Got dog poop all in it. Poor dog. We'll just, man. Oh, now I've already touched it with my gloves. We'll start in the back of the truck and shred it. It's a pretty gross start, actually. Should have just left it. I was like, oh, it's aluminum. There we go. Now let's take that glove off. Poo. Do I got another right-handed glove? I do, thanks to... Yeah. No, I don't. They're both... Oh well, we'll have to figure it out. Oh. That was a good start, dog. Poop dish for the win. It gets recycled. Y'all give me a thumbs up for the poop dish. Alright guys, let's see what else we can find. Alright, I found my old pair in there. These gloves are good. It's one the subscriber sent to me, so thanks again, brother. I appreciate it. Oh, there's some old VHS tapes in there. Alright. Let's, that was our first strikeout, so I'll turn y'all on only now for this when we find stuff. It came a heck of a storm yesterday though. Still windy and well, it's kind of cold. I should have put on a hoodie or something. I say cold. The wind's making it cold. Cool. Alright. Let's see what else we can find and hopefully we make a good video today. See something in this one. We'll take the stick. I think we're gonna have some lights because I see something. Oh man. Nice. On the lights, heck yeah. Should we back up to it? I think we should probably just back up to it. I'll get them all out and y'all don't have to watch me walk back and forth. Or y'all can watch me walk back and forth. That's a good little start. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Luckily, none got me. Clip them wires off there. Ballast I don't get no more for, so let's try not to bust any more lights. I gotta get them little bits out of there, don't we? kind of actually hard. Heck yeah. Oh, there's one more. I'll get it. I'll get it. Alright, I'll get this loaded up. And I'll see y'all at the next stop. I see something poking out of this one too. Oh, hello satellite dish. Two of them. I really don't want to fight with all that coaxial. Howdy. Yeah? Are they metal?
They have metal in them.
They have to be almost all metal for me to get rid of.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just kind of out just scrapping today, so.
Right.
We're saying,
No
I appreciate it though. You have a good one. Oh, that one is the other one that had it. I'll trim it off the other one. Dang, what if this thing's so awkward. I just don't want to have to deal with fighting with the cord getting tangled up. Y'all thought I was going to forget this little piece of aluminum, didn't you? Oh, alright. There's a football down there. I don't need a football. There's a trophy. And a cool trophy like Scrappity found though. Cross country. Alright. Let's go. Oh man, I put that right down in the dog poop dish. Why'd y'all let me grab that for? Tree blew across the road yesterday on that storm. It blew a lot of shingles off my roof of my house. And underneath the lip, it tore up a bunch of that stuff. I sent some pictures to my landlord. I see some low-grade wire back there. And told him about, oh, I still got my snips in my pocket. Alright. I'll grab that wire, I guess. I cashed in on my low-grade wire the other day, Friday. And some other stuff off camera. I think I made a reel or a TikTok or something about it. I didn't have my, it wasn't nothing exciting. I just went in there and grabbed it Grabbed a little bit of aluminum and stuff like that. Yeah. Oh. Wasn't worth filming for, but I was filming anyway, so there we go. Gotta start somewhere. On building that back up. Alright, guys. On we go. This is gonna be a good day. I wonder about these sawhorses too, guys. Plastic ones. They don't gotta. Are they broke? That hold anything up? I got a set. Yeah, we ain't gonna mess with them. They're little. I don't know how they hold anything heavy up. Let's get this ceiling fan. Oh, it's a heavy one too. I'm trying to get all the glass off of it. I bet all these light bulbs work. I usually like to hold on to them, but I mean, I got so many. That one didn't work, it broke. Yeah, that's one thing I'll never have to probably buy again. Is a light bulb. Set this down here. Work on it. I don't want to take no glass with me. There we go. Alright, get her stick. I think I seen a TV or something. Well, the back's already off of it. So I think that might be. Oh, that's an all-in-one. Oh, the CPU's off of it and the RAM sticks. I popped the motherboard off and I just shred the rest. Oh man, I ripped my shirt. There wasn't much left of this shirt. Had it for, man, probably 10. I think I had it before I even got married. So 12, 13 years. Yeah, the hard drive's out of it too. Oh well. Still cool though. Good piece of scrap. Alright. Doing good so far, doing good. Last day I wear this shirt. It had so many dang little holes in it, like little bitty fine holes from like using my grinder and just being so old and sweating, and but it was one of my favorites. On we go. This box looks compelling to look in too. Some trailers. Let's see if there's anything with them. Just some leftover yard soap stuff. 32's too small for me. Oh, wearing nothing like that. Anything else in there? Another trailer. Just stuff they had free on it. They just, yeah. Just trailers, man, no trucks. Put that back down in there. Oh. You get to look in a box. What we got? Some rope lights. And somebody asked me how my boots were doing. They're doing good, man. These are the best boots I've ever owned. They're doing real good. Front boots. There's just a toe. Let me get out of this person's way. Sorry about that. A Rubbermaid one too. Those $1 million ones. Put those some of that stuff up in there in a minute. Another mop, but and a cake. All right, on we go. Look at that, ain't that a beautiful sight? Wind may be blowing, but at least we're finding some good scrap. And there's a, looks like a battery backup in there too. How did I do that? How did I do that? There we go. Ooh boy. Looks like some old stuff down in there. Sorry about the wind, guys. I know. Is that brass? Look at all that rust on there. Coonts. I thought it was a, you know what I thought of, part to a sink. Look at these old jars. What we got? Anything? It's a ball, perfect mason. I don't know if it's old or not, but I'm a sucker for them. This was a syrup, an Atlas. It's kind of plain. So is the ball, but like I said, I'm a sucker. I'll put them up front on the floorboard here in a minute. Alright, let's see what else. Something that the wind will blow away. It's so light. Alright, anything else in this little box? Oh, hey, look at that. Gorilla. Hey, that's some old flashlights, the batteries corroded it up so much. Alright. Get this old chair. We don't want that. Alright, that's cool. Alright, I'm gonna load this up and do some organizing, and I'll see y'all at the next stop. Boy, this is a cage, ain't it? I know. Need to get a magnet on that end. I think I see an office chair back there too. Let's see if I can get this dude to fold up somehow. I guess just like that. Heck yeah. Oh goodness, it's in so many pieces. It's all tangled, twangled. See if we can get this piece of plastic out of there. I guess it's gonna stay. Or not. Heck yeah, it slides out that way. Nice. Uh-oh. No trash on my watch. Don't get blown away. Alright, see what we got down here on this end. Oh man. Don't have my screw gun with me, but it's okay. I'm not taking it. I'll go get my screwdriver. Whole thing into shred. I'm just taking the top off just for space. Just recycled now because I decided to take the top off. There we go. That'll work. Little chunk, but on we go. Ah crap, you know it guys, look what we got here. This looks like it's full of old brass, spent shells, ammo cases. That's all empty. Let's get rid of the empties. Yeah, that's all brass. How about that? Look at that. Yep. Oh, there's even a lot of live rounds in there. A lot in that one. Alright, just nothing shocks me anymore. It wasn't as good as that one ammo find though. Yeah, look at that. You should tell the police. They ain't gonna care, man. That's what they told me when I... Anyways. On we go. That was a cool find, wasn't it? We'll look that over a little bit more. There's more in here, I believe. Yep. I know you're screaming take the whole box and stuff, but I'm all about saving room. Yeah, there's a lot of live rounds in there, or duds. There's I don't know. What is this thing? Polisher cleaner. It's got a cord on it. Wow. Bet it polishes and cleans the... That ain't gonna work, is it, guys? That'll work. Windy! More? More? More. Nice. Let's look in here. I know I'm right on the road, but I don't know y'all want to see what's in here too. It's already in her truck now. So pretty good. Oh, might be a lot of trash in here. That's trash. You just saved the boxes and stuff, didn't he? Yeah. Adam's got some in it. This is a 245. Oh, it's just the shells. This casing for brass. Well, it's a little bit cheaper than regular brass, but not much. Yeah, sweet, man. Yeah, those are empty. All right, cool. Oh, goodness. Did I forget anything? Look at there, look at there. Only I could spot a piece of bear brat down the bottom. Cool, man. Let's go. Full of nasty stuff? Nah, I can take it though.
It will be $25.
Oh, you want to? Are you? I don't know if y'all seen that last stop or not. My battery died, but I just picked up a little freezer, and I wish my battery would have stayed on, but I wouldn't have been able to show it because there's a little boy there. But I asked them if they was throwing this away, getting rid of it, and they said yeah. The little boy was trying to push it to the curb, and I said, and his big brother, I would assume big brother, said that I could have it, and the little boy said, no, we want $25 for it. I was like, all right. So I was like, what about $1? And he said, yeah. So that's kind of funny. I was gonna try to fix this a little better, but holy microwaving, mini fridging, and all of that. Nice. this better. I gotta get this right here. There we go. That ought to get us home. I should probably put that up front or something. More microwaves. Somebody sold the plate on eBay, didn't they? Yep. Clip the cord off this one. There we go. Hello. There's a lamp. And a big dog. Oh. Well, the oil filter dumpster has a windshield wiper today. I check it still, guys. They just don't have oil filters no more. No. We get a windshield wiper here and there, and oil filter boxes, but can or something. Somebody's picking them up. Went inside and asked if this was trash, and they said yeah. They said I could have that cooler too, and I was like, no, I'm alright. That's where I used to sell my baby guinea pigs too. But I'm out of the guinea pig business. All of my females, and I know what happened. This is, they all died within pretty quick of each other. They were old though, so. Well, one of them wasn't. My wife ordered some shavings off of Amazon. Some kind of weird, like, lavender smelling. And after they have babies, they, you know, they eat the shavings or anything with blood on it and stuff. So I think those shavings were, that's what done them in. I'm pretty bummed about it, but this was a few months back. And then I have had 2 males left, and I gave them away. Somebody that wanted them, so well taken care of. One of them was still pretty young, so he'd been without a home for a while. He would have been by himself for a while. I didn't want that. Oh, got a barbecue grill. It's light, but it's in the truck. I think we got a ballast. Is that a ballast? Maybe. Can I reach it? I can't reach it. This can reach it. Oh my gosh! Oh, well, oh. Oh, that sucks. There we go. Any more in there? That's the only one. Cool, man. There's another live round down there on the ground. Out here in the wild, wild west of Arkansas. Been run over a few times. Police impound lot. So, I don't know whose fault that is. On we go. Well, I see a cord and some metal popping out of this one. Let's take our handy dandy reaching stick. Oh, put it there because we'll probably need it. Ah, what are you? You're deep freeze material. I put this thing the wrong way though, didn't I? Stinks in there. Not too bad though. Alright, what else we got in here? Some clothes. Bang bang. Oh, works. I'll take that. Is he gonna grab hangers? You dang right, I got a freezer to put them in, man. I might get a pound. Stapler. All kind. Aluminum. We're going to have to come back. We got so many goodies in our hand. Oh, that's a goodie. I can hear y'all now. Just leave it on. That rod over there is blocking my door. It's aggravating me. Alright, let's see what else we got in this bag. Stamp. Another stapler. All kinds of stuff, man. Nothing I really want though. Pack of juicy fruit. Cool, huh? I paid $13 for it at TJ Maxx. I don't see anything wrong with it. It might be the time I'm done with it though. I wanted to look in here, didn't I? No, I'm done. Alright. Little dumpsters. Been good to us over the years, ain't it? Cool, man. On we go. Think they'll run. Don't see nothing else, do y'all? Do you see what I see, guys? That's nice of that guy who, or whoever left them on top like that for the scrap man, huh? Yeah, like I say, I apologize about the wind. We'll see how good this video turns out. I think this fella just whistled at me. Barbecue? This one?
I got one.
Okay, yeah. All right. Thank you. I'll take it. You doing all right, man? Yeah, just going around gathering metal.
You save it? Do you auction it?
I just sell it to the scrapyard, usually most of it. Every once in a while I'll find something good, you know, sell it. But most of it, yeah, I just recycle it. Make a few dollars. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good one.
Peace.
You good?
Thank you.
How you been, man? I forgot how to fold that up. Oh, there ain't nothing left of it. Tree came down, didn't it? Woo, barely missed their car. They're trapped in. See a chair. Look at there, the bottom's taking off for it. That's about all I see, guys. Guys and gals. Where, oh where? Where, oh where could my chair be? It looks like the scrapper took it away from me. He strapped it down and... Alright, let's go. Enough of my singing, huh? Right here on the road. I'm gonna, looks like there's some stuff here. What do we got? Anything I want to mess with? Not really, huh? Thought this was a weed eater stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna plunder too much of that. Just because we're on the main road. There's I seen an aluminum screen at the bottom, but that's about it. Don't want to hang around on the main road digging through trash. That bike over there by that dumpster's been there for 3 weeks now. And that guy said stuff there, but maybe somebody pick it up. On we go. Well, we got the printers. They're not even the good ones really, but whatever. Take a few. scrapyard lets me throw in one or two with sure, so we'll give them two. Push it down in there. There's two more, three more. I don't want to give them too much bull crap. Hey, look, more printers. 1, 2, 3, 4 more printers. Somebody went around dumping printers, didn't they? Yeah, I guess I'm good on that. Looks like there's some stuff here. I assume it's trash. I just saw they got it by the curb. I don't like that much, do y'all? What else we got here? I really don't like walking back this far. But what else we got? Another printer. There's a tote of Christmas lights there. There's another one too. Oh. What is this thing? Ryobi? It's empty, whatever it is. Alright. Is that a lamp? It might be brass. I'll come back and get that, I guess. Let's find somewhere over here for it. Don't need the jars. Alright, cool. What is this? Deal to a light, huh? What is this? Nothing. It's nothing. Alright. We eased up here. I don't think this will slide off, but I don't want to take no chances, so we're gonna put it up here. And then let's get our This is the one we need. Yeah, that'll work. See if I can do this or not without falling. I might hold it in place a little bit. There we go. Looks like, I don't know what that is. I see metal though. What the heck is that thing? Oh, it's a... That's a bottom to a basketball goal. What the heck is this thing? Ain't much metal on it. Oh, it's like to a mower, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, it's too much plastic. I could rip that off there, but the whole thing's plastic pretty much. Oh well. What else is in here? Anything? Bottom to a basketball go, man. Alright. Well, I guess that's gonna be it, guys. I don't think we gotta check anything else. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching and all that. Y'all guys are awesome. I had fun today. I hope y'all did too. Found some ammo and some brass, and not too great on anything real heavy, but we got a truckload of junk, and that's what we always try to do. So, all right, guys. Y'all guys have a good one. See you on the next one. Might do a couple videos this week, and then next Sunday is gonna be bulk videos starting then all week long, hopefully. And hopefully I'll have the big white truck up and going, so which shouldn't be that hard. I mean, it's running. I just gotta air up the tire and put the rack on it and jump it. No big deal. But all right, guys, you guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.